Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to solve SkillRack daily challenge, that is, print plus pattern. Hashtag include stdio.h. This line includes the standard input-output header file, allowing the use of functions like printf and scanf. Hashtag include stdlib.h. This line includes the standard library header file, providing functions involving memory allocation and other general utilities. Int main, the main function serves as the starting point of the program. Execution begins here. Int n declares an integer variable n to store the user input. Scanf, %d, and n takes user input for the variable n. Int l equals 2 multiple n plus 1 calculates the length of each row/column in the pattern and stores it in the variable l. 4. Int I equals 0, I less than l, I++, initiates a loop that iterates through each row of the pattern. The loop variable I represents the current row. Int s equals 1, initializes a variable s to 1, which will be used for printing numbers in the pattern. 4. Int j equals 0, j less than l, j++, initiates a nested loop that iterates through each column of the current row. The loop variable j represents the current column. If I equals n j equals n, checks if the current position is at the center of the pattern, middle row or column. Printf, plus, if at the center, prints a plus symbol, followed by a space. Else a, if not at the center, executes the following block of code. Printf, %d, s, prints the current value of s, followed by a space. This prints the numbers on one side of the plus symbol. If j equals n, is, adjusts the value of s based on the column position. If in the right half of the pattern, decreases s. Else es++, if in the left half of the pattern, increases s. Printf, \n, moves to the next line after completing each row. I hope you found this explanation is helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming challenges. Thanks for watching.